Magandang buhay po at welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo on how to calculate the area of kite. Ito po yung ating quadrilateral. So ito po ay kite MATH or MAT. At ito po yung kanyang given. So we have the measure of line segment MT is equal to 8 cm. Ito po yung line segment MT, a diagonal of a kite. And another one given is the measure of line segment AH, which is 12 centimeter. Ito po yung ating AH 12 centimeter. Another diagonal. So given yung two diagonals of a kite, we can calculate the area. So ano nga po ba yung formula to calculate the area? Sige, let's continue. For number 1 example, this is the given. Measure of MT is 8 centimeter. Okay po. First diagonal. And measure of AH is 12 cm. Ito po yung AH sa second diagonal. So, ano po yung formula to calculate the area? Ito po, area of a kite is equal to 1/2 times D1 times D2. So, what is D? Stands for the diagonal. So, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. So, again, mula po dito sa ating dalawang given na diagonals, kahit saan po dyan yung diagonal 1, kahit saan po dyan yung diagonal 2. Kahit po magkapalit, okay lang yan. Okay? So, set natin that D1 or diagonal 1 is 8 cm, this one, and diagonal 2 is 12 cm. And using the formula, okay, pwede rin po yung ating formula, i-write in this form, D1 times D2 divided by 2. So, the same po yan. You multiply D1 times D2 here, then get the 1/2 of the product, ay gawin din lang po ito. Okay? D1 times D2 divided by 2. So, by substitution method, so area is equal to D1 is 8, D2 is 12. So, 8 times 12. Then, divide by 2. So, multiply first. Yung numerator, 8 times 12 is equal to 96 square centimeter divided by 2. So, multiply din po natin yung kanyang unit, centimeter times centimeter is square centimeter. And then, you can divide this one, 96 divided by 2 is equal to 48. So, the area of this kite mat is equal to 48 square centimeter. Okay, for example number 2, to master the lesson, ito po yung ating figure, kite LOVE or kite lob. So, this is the given. Measure of LB is 10 cm. Ito po, LB, diagonal po ito. And the measurement of OE is equal to 15 cm. Ito po yung OE, 15 cm. So, again, the two given are diagonal. So, by using the formula of the diagonals, iset natin that diagonal 1 is 10 cm and diagonal 2 is 15 cm. So again, pwede pong magkapalit itong numbers, okay, or yung given. So by using the formula, area is equal to D1 times D2 divided by 2. So D1 is 10, D2 is 15. So 10 times 15 divided by 2. Okay, and then multiply natin. Numerator, 10 times 15 is 150 square centimeter. Okay? And then divide by 2. So again, we can divide 150 divided by 2. That is equal to 75. And then yung unit natin is square centimeter. So the area of this kite lob is equal to 75 square centimeter. Salamat sa pod kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel. So kung gusto mo pong matuto about mathematics tutorial, so marami po akong video lesson na naka-upload na dito sa ating channel.